We've been exploring the delivered extra pack assembly management and how it works. So we've had a closer look at assemble to stock. Now it's time to put assemble to order under the microscope. When we have products that are make to order, like bespoke items, or items that are too valuable to keep in stock, then we can use the assemble to order method for assemblies in Business Central. This process links assembly orders directly to sales orders, ensuring assembly matches shipping requirements. In this example, we'll sell an outdoor furniture set to a Danton corporation. Now, because this item is high value and will not be stocked, an assembly order will be generated from the sale directly. If you've seen our assemble to stock video, then this will be combining the chair we assembled previously with other products like a table and a sofa to create this outdoor furniture set. This is our outdoor furniture set. If we take a look at how this is configured, this is assemble to order. If we click into the assembly bill of materials, we'll be able to see that our furniture set is created with 3 chairs, a glass table, and a corner sofa. All products we keep on stock and assemble to stock, but when the demand comes through for the set, we need to put the set together. So let's process the sale for this item. We'll raise a sales order for the customer in question and enter that outdoor furniture set on the lines. This will be for a quantity of 1. Now you'll notice that as soon as we've added a quantity to this order, a quantity to assemble to order has been populated with that same amount. If we click into that field and the 3 dots within here, this will show us the assembly lines associated with this sales. It's that act of linking the sales directly to the assembly when it's required. If we go to show document, that will give us the actual assembly order that's been automatically produced to match the demand for this sale, with the same quantities and dates coming from our previous order. We can see those items that we saw earlier on in the bill of materials for the chair, table, and sofa, and the correct quantities. And you'll notice that if I come up to the left-hand side, my option to post is grayed out. This is just because our assembly order has been linked to a sales document. So that should be marked and complete as assembled when we ship out that sales order. You'll notice that on this assembly order, the assemble to order is set as yes, because of how this has been created. And once again, if there is any availability warnings because one of our items are out of stock, it would flag for us here. So I may need to assemble more of those outdoor chairs if we're running low on them in inventory. If we go back to our sales order, we can go to post, and when we mark these goods as shipped, it will automatically do that assembly. As per our previous video, we're not covering any additional steps for warehousing. This is for brevity's sake, but there may be extra steps involved, including picks, to take these goods to the shipment area of our warehouse. In that instance, once that warehouse shipment and pick have been finalized, that assembly order would be automatically marked as complete. If we go back into that quantity to assemble to order field here and show documents, you'll notice that the assembled quantity has now updated to 1 because it has automatically completed that assembly for us upon shipment. So now you can see how assemble to order works in Business Central, linking your sales directly to assembly, making sure that high value or bespoke items are built only when needed. If you watched our assemble to stock video, you'll notice how this method gives you even more control over customer orders and inventory costs. Want to get up and running with Business Central quickly and efficiently? Our delivered approach gives distributors an easy, risk-free implementation. Reach out to the Tecman team to find out more.